Hello dear, welcome to our channel B.Ed Corner. Today we are going to discuss about a lesson plan which is related to physical science. Now let's start. First we note date, class 9th, subject science, subject chemistry, period, time, and our topic is physical and chemical change. Now we note our school name or college name. Next heading is general objectives. We note 5 points related to general objectives. You can see. Next is specific objectives. We note 5 points related to specific objectives. First is knowledge, understanding, applying, analytical, synthesis, and last one is evaluation. After specific objectives, we note teaching aids, chart paper, chalk, blackboard, duster, pointer, etc. Next is previous knowledge. Student will have general knowledge about physical and chemical change. After previous knowledge, we start our introductory questions. We have two columns in our introductory questions. First is pupil teacher activity and second is students activity. We have 5 questions in this topic. All questions have zigzag form. Now let's start. First question is, what happens if we take ice cubes out of refrigerator? Student answers, it melts. Second question, melting of ice forms. Answer is water. Third, what happens to water when we boil it? Student answer, it evaporates. Fourth question, what is the state of evaporated water called? Answer is gaseous state. And our last question is, what is the formation of solid, liquid and gas called? Student no response. This is the problematic questions for our students. Now after these questions we give our statement. So students, today we will study about physical and chemical change. After that, we start our presentation. This is our whole presentations table. Now, first column is teaching point. Second, expected behavioral objectives. Third, pupil teacher activity. Next is students activity. Next, teaching method. Next, teaching aids or blackboard work. And last column is evaluation. Now we start our presentation. First, we note our topic's name in our teaching point column, physical and chemical change. Now, we note our developmental questions. First question is, what are the physical properties of matter? Student answer, color, odor, size, etc. Second question, change in physical properties of a matter is called. Student answer, physical change. Next, third question, factors responsible for physical and chemical change. No response. This is the problematic questions for a student. Now we start our explanation. First, physical change. Change is a type where the physical properties of matter change. The change involves change in its state, color, shape, etc. It is the temporary change and it is reversible. Physical change does not result in the formation of new substance. Example, floating of paper, stretching of rubber band, etc. Student will listen carefully during our explanation. Next heading is chemical change. There are the changes in which two substances react and form a new substance with different chemical properties. These changes are irreversible, that is, original substance cannot be recovered. Example, setting of curd. Next is burning of paper. And last example is rusting of iron. You can give other examples in this heading. Now we put a questions. During our explanation, we use our explanation skill. After that, we put a question. Which change result in the formation of new compound? Student answers, chemical change. And we use our questioning skill during our question. This is our miniature of blackboard and miniature of chart. Always remember one thing, stick your chart, miniature of chart above your miniature of blackboard. Now at the last end we give summary. Change in the state of matter that can be reversed are called physical change, while those unreversed are called chemical change. After our summary, we put some questions to our student, and these questions are known as evaluation question. First is melting of ice is what type of change? Second question, what is chemical change? Now our presentation is completed. After our presentation, we note a heading written an inspection work. Teacher asks the student to copy the homework written on board and inspect it as well. Reciprocatory work. First question is differentiate between physical and chemical change on the basis of reversibility. Second question is rusting of iron is what type of change? Next heading is homework. We have three types of questions in our homework. First is long answer type question, differentiate between physical and chemical change. Second is short answer type question. First question, give an example of physical change. Second is define chemical change. And last, very short answer type question. First question is shape change is a dash change. Second question, floating of paper is a dash change. Now we have done our simulated teaching lesson plan of our physical science. I hope you like our lesson plan. If you like, please like our video, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.